So he's had his struggles with scoliosis and other illnesses, but that won't stop this young man from flipping and tumbling wherever he goes. He's the Jamaican Spiderman. His name is Conroy Allen, and he joins us now. Good morning, Conroy. How are you?
Good morning, I'm doing okay. It was kind of hard to wake up this early though, but
But you're Spider-Man, Bridget, so you don't sleep. Spider-Man sleep? We never know Spider-Man sleep. It is great to have you with us. Tell me first about the struggles you've had before you started to do this Spider-Man. I have slight scoliosis, so I know it can be very, very painful.
yeah,
What?
it's mild. It's not a major curve, but it's curved enough to give me back aches and so on.
Yeah, it says other illnesses. Can you talk about that?
So, the three main issues I got is the scoliosis, the asthma, and I got anemia also.
Whoa. Why Spider-Man? Where did this come from? Give me a little
Well,
background
so
why you wanted to do
I
this.
will, I'll tell you how it's all got started. So I was working in this steel band, and I was wondering how can I make some extra money, you know? So I'm like, what can I do? I'm like, I can do these flips and all these things. What can I do? So it came to mind. I was always watching these characters on YouTube and so on. So it came to mind, why not buy a costume? The kids might like it. Then it was a little puzzle choosing a character. But after a little mingling, I found out that it's best to use Spider-Man because Spider-Man loves to be a comic like myself here, and also he likes the flips and so on. So I bought a suit, and that's how the Spider-Man thing began.
Yeah, the
I
tumbling.
was
Sorry, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
um I was first performing in hotels and so on with my Spider-Man suit, but only at the kids' resort.
Okay. The tumbling comes from the fact that you did the what you call it, the cheerleading.
Yeah,
I was also told that you did athletics. You were a track star like Usain Bolt.
tracks. Yeah, I
Well,
did tracks for a little while.
yeah, what?
Maybe like couple months.
Couple
Wasn't for
months,
long.
and
Yeah.
then you realize you what did you do? What discipline you
I
did in
yeah,
track?
this is what happened. Like, I did 100 and 200 meters because I got asthma. As I said, I couldn't run for long.
Yeah. So
But what really happened, honestly, in high school, I wasn't the one to really talk much. So I did not want my mom keeps telling me to join a sport or something, but I didn't want to be around people until like grade 9. So that's when I got the courage to join track and field,
okay.
right?
I hope I pronounce it right, but where this name is it Diosis?
Yes, it's diosis.
Where did that name come from now? Because of the
Okay.
scoliosis?
So, yeah, you figure it out.
My bright in a youth.
Yeah. So I was like, I need to make a name for myself. I wanted to make a name for myself that nobody else is had. Um, at the when I was working in the band, my friends usually call me Scully. They usually call me Scully. Hey, Scully, what going? So I'm like, okay, I use that. So instead of using Scully, I used the last part, Osis. And then I was like, Deosis, but I didn't want to use THE. So that's how the Deosis formed.
All right. What kind of reaction have you got with this Spider-Man thing? What are the people saying to you?
First thing, the funniest thing to me, they keep telling me to climb light posts and so forth. Like, I'm not JPS, you know? So, like,
But you're a
then they keep on
Spider-Man, you're
telling me,
supposed to
where's the
can't climb
web? Where's
anything.
the web?
So what
Crazy
so
thing.
what you do? What you do? How you get up the walls and stuff?
Well, I use some camera tricks sometimes. I use some camera tricks sometimes. But most of the times I actually climb the building and jump off.
Ever got hurt?
So, no, no. There's a thing they call parkour. It teaches you how to fall without hurting yourself.
Yeah, but if you're going way up, you can hurt yourself still.
Yeah, but I don't go over certain feet. I don't think I ever went over like maybe 20 feet. I don't think I went over 20 feet yet.
Okay. I'm watching. I guess you do a lot of practicing and stuff with the flips and stuff like that.
Yeah, cause I've been doing this for a little while now, so yeah.
Yeah. How much longer you want to go with this?
Uh-huh. I'm not sure. I just want to see how far it takes me. I wouldn't want to stay at exact date when.
Yeah.
But I know it's not forever, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Because with my conditions and so on, I don't think I can do that forever. So
You earn from this, or this is just a hobby for you?
hey, let's put it this way. I do earn from it, yes.
Okay.
I do like kids parties and so on.
Okay. I heard you were a part of the James Bond movie, that's so?
Yeah, I did. I got a little part. I got 2 scenes. Not bad.
As
I'm
Spiderman?
grateful.
As Spiderman?
No, not as Spiderman.
So what role you played?
I did one scene as an extra and one scene as a dancer.
Oh.
So,
Are you sure they're going to put them in the movie?
no, I'm not sure. But I hope to see myself even once somewhere.
But you get PR ready, don't it?
Yeah, so
Yeah, so if you're doing another movie, I don't know nothing.
no problem.
By the way, is your spider web that behind you?
No, it's my mesh strip to protect myself from the mosquitoes. You know?
So it's a mosquito web, not a spider web.
Yeah, it's a mosquito web.
You have your mask with you?
Yes.
So
It's on my mask.
deal with it, my brethren. Let me see what go on. You can't talk if you put it on?
Yeah.
There. Let's see.
Yeah.
Aye.
Spiderman live.
So this is the mask you wear. You know what I wear the mask that we wear. You wear that mask every time you go out.
All right. They say wear a mask. No entry, no mask, so I can wear this mask. I have an excuse now.
When next can the folks see you and where?
I've been Otrius, but I didn't make a date yet, but I've been Otrius next.
Okay. So you're going flip and from Kingston go all the way to Ochi?
From Portland to Ochi.
Stay safe. Don't make the car hit you down. Great to meet you. And you make people happy, so it's always that's always really, really good. All right, and thanks for joining us this morning. Look after yourself.
All right, bless you.
The Jamaican Spiderman, Conroy Allen.